a new pet, y'all? PhD Kitty. Who came up with these names? Gary hit him with a meow meow. Gary. Gary the Raven. I want the good sword. Good grief. Have pet answer the first question. Have pet answer the second question. Have pet answer the third question. Ask your pet 3 questions. That's all you gotta say. Let's make a little show for the people in this small village. Use pet say function to have your pet answer, or method rather, pet answer when she hears a question. Don't forget to use pet on to assign the say to function as the handler. Oh, I get it now. So the function is say to. So I guess the pet's gonna say to. Pet.say. We got the method here. And then the pet's gonna say to. That's the function. Say to. So we're gonna do pet on. The event type is here. And this is going to be say to. So when I say 1 + 1 is, then my pet's going to say 2. And then when I say x cubed minus 6x squared plus 12x minus 8 equals 0, and I ask it what is x, it's gonna say 2. How many moons does Mars have? You know, I didn't know Mars had moons. I guess that makes sense, because the only 2 planets that don't have moons is Mercury and Venus. I learned that on the Mr. Beast show. Have you watched that yet?
Retrograde.
No.
Me?
Yeah, did you watch Mr. Beast?
I will soon.
It's really good.
I will soon. That's the plan.
2. New episode comes out Thursday, so you might as well wait till tomorrow. They went from 2,000 contestants to 60. Episode 0 is on YouTube. And I've been watching, like, the behind the scenes